Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong on Monday ruled out shifting of the head office of the North Eastern Electric Power Corporation or Neepco in Shillong to Guwahati. A position TMC MLA Hima Xiangpliang had alleged that as per the order issued on June 25th this year, 3 big offices which include that of the Executive Director of Operation and Maintenance, Director of Contract and Procurement and Director of Corporate Project Monitoring, along with Section of Information and Technology and the Finance Wing, have been shifted from Shillong to Guwahati. Tynsong said that he had personally taken up the matter with the highest authority following a news report. He also said that in black and white that nothing of that sort, be it from the highest authority or be it from Neepco management, the intention of shifting the office of Neepco from Shillong to Guwahati does not at all arise. When Xiangpliang pointed out that the managing director of the Neepco does not sit in Shillong and whether this does not imply that the head of office has been shifted to Guwahati, Tynsong however said that the Neepco does not have their temporary office which is fully functioning from Guwahati to facilitate the ongoing projects that they have in Arunachal Pradesh and other northeast states.
Point number 1. Number 2, sir, yes, a branch office or transit camp office, some sort of, was created in Guwahati, and that also because of the ideal place for monitoring the ongoing projects that they have in Arunachal Pradesh and in other parts of the northeastern state. So therefore they do have that office, but as far as head office is concerned, there is no intention at all from the highest authority or from the Neepco management to shift the office from Shillong.